This is a short tutorial on how to find general information using Gale eBooks. To begin with, if you are starting your research from the campus library homepage, hover over Research Tools and click on Gale eBooks. There may also be a link on your class guide or subject research guide. If you are accessing this from off-campus, you will be prompted for your MySierra username without the email part and password to access this database. Gale eBooks is a collection of over 10,000 digital encyclopedias that can provide credible information on a wide range of topics. Start out by searching with a keyword relevant to your research topic. Let's try amoxicillin. Your results will show the title of the article here and the encyclopedia that it comes from. You can choose your article based on what subject the encyclopedia covers. For instance, these two encyclopedias each have an article with the same title, but they cover different subjects and so will give you different information and perspective. For example, you will get more prescription and medication information in this encyclopedia, and you'll get more chemical information in this one. You can get to the full text article by clicking on the blue title. Once here, you'll see the entire article. On the side, you'll see Explore More Like This and related subjects. At the end of the full text, you will often find additional readings on your topic. If you look up above, you will see that you can print out the article here, download it to your computer, email it to yourself, or use the citation generator. Choose the correct edition. From here, you can copy and paste it into your paper. As with any computer automated generator, make sure to double check your citation and make sure it is correct. As always, if you need additional help, please ask us.